this, for some reason.
What did you just say?
Nothing, of course. Let's just start the video.
What? Hello, my name is Purple Chef, and this is my new Tub Chanel. Now I know what you are thinking. Man, I'm really hungry. Around I mean table. And by table I mean bald man's house.
Gosh, you talk so slow back then. I'm not crazy, right? You sound so...
Sabi ni mo.
It has something called Minecraft Global Data Folder Do Not Delete in it. Must be spam because data sounds like a made-up word that Mommy Ender Dragon thought of.
You don't suppose that could have been, vitally important to the game now, could you?
Of course not. It was totally spam. Question 1. Google.com. That's a weird question. And I know weird. Oh, wait. That's a website. I have to go to Chanel to read comments. Okay, that was a little embarrassing. Question 1. Do you want to grow a mustache?